I'm using a little bit of peppermint. It feels so nice in this facial steamer. First thing is deeply cleansing my face with a facial cleanser. This one by Evoloderm is very nice and gentle, yet it removes all the dirt. I'm starting by dermaplaning my face. This helps remove any pore clogging buildup of dead skin cells along with peach fuzz and any hair, resulting in a very sleek and smooth skin that also helps any masks or serums that I will apply later penetrate much deeper. This is dead skin cells and peach fuzz, and I wouldn't recommend this to everyone, but I do have a lot of peach fuzz, and this way I like also slough off dead skin cells. I will be using this facial scraper just to remove any blackheads, clear and unclog all the pores. And since you need to use it on wet face, I'm just misting my face with Evian water. This mask is so good, Indian Healing Clay Mask. It's used by many spa salons, and I decided to do this one just to clear my T-zone, and for the rest of the face I will do a different mask. I'm still keeping the facial steamer on. It feels so good and it will just help the mask penetrate. I'm going to do the Indian Healing Clay Mask. A hydrating mask by Freeman. It's anti-pollution. It is a gel mask and it is so nice and hydrating. It suits the skin, feels very nice, and you can leave it overnight. But today I will be using it on just around the drier areas of my face, and I will wash it out afterwards. Next comes a Pore Bubble Mask by Bliss. It is a home version of an iconic spa facial. It comes out as gel, but once you start rubbing it into the hands, it foams and it releases oxygen and it goes deep into the skin and makes the complexion from dull and drab to brightened and revitalized. It just makes your face glowy instantly. Now it's time for skincare. First, I am using this vitamin C and wild rose face oil by
and it has like rose petals inside. Does a great job fading my scars.
Using the same device on the moisturizing mode just to make the serums and the moisturizers penetrate deeper into the skin. Time for an eye cream. I'm using this one by Shiseido. It has this metal applicator which is so nice and cooling and kind of helps to massage the under eye area, drain any fluids that are held over there. Just like feels very refreshing.
Hyaluronic acid moisturizer. It is so nice after the vitamin C. Vitamin C is brightening and the hyaluronic acid locks all the moisture in.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more similar content. Bye!